If a pipe bursts tonight, do you know which part of your homeowner's insurance pays for the repairs, your ruined sofa, or your hotel stay? Let's break it down in simple terms. Hi everyone, I am Anita and welcome to Guide to PNC System, where we simplify insurance concepts. Today we are unpacking homeowners insurance. I will walk you through the six main coverages, key add-ons, and a real-life example so you will know exactly what is covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated. So, a homeowner's policy is a package. It combines property coverage to protect your home and belongings with liability coverage to protect you if someone else is injured and you are legally responsible. Now let's break down the six core coverages A through F. Coverage A, that is dwelling, protects the structure of your home walls, roof, floors and attached feature. Tip is always insured to full replacement cost. Coverage B, other structures, covers things not attached to the house like a detached garage, shed or a fence. It usually 10% of coverage A by default. Coverage C is personal property, protects your belongings like furniture, clothes, and electronics, often around 50% of coverage A. Consider replacement cost coverage for better protection. Coverage D, loss of use, that is additional living expenses. This pays for hotel, meals, or rent if your home becomes unlivable, typically about 20% of coverage A. Coverage E is personal liability. This covers lawsuits and legal costs if you cause injury or property damage to others. Common limits are around 300k to 500k. Coverage F, it is the medical payments to others, pays small medical bills for guests regardless of fault, with typical limits of 1000 to 5000 per person. Let's talk policy forms. Policy forms ranges from HO1 to HO8. Most US homeowners have an HO3 policy. Your house is covered for all risks except exclusions. Your belongings are covered only for specific named perils. An HO5 policy is broader and covers both your home and belongings for all risks, usually with a higher limit. Think of it as a broader protection at a higher cost. A quick note on exclusion. Here is what is not covered unless you add the special protection, that is flood, earthquake or earth movement, sewer or sump backup, normal wear and tear or poor maintenance, and certain pets or business activities. Finally, consider customizing your policy with these endorsements like water backup coverage, replacement cost for belongings, scheduled coverage for jewelry, art or collectibles, ordinance or law for code upgrades, extended or guaranteed replacement cost for dwelling, umbrella liability for extra 1 million plus protection, separate flood and earthquake policies. So let's simplify what happens if a pipe bursts in your home and you need to know which part of your homeowner's insurance kicks in. So repair to the home structure falls under coverage A, that is dwelling. So it pays for repairs to your home structure like the walls, ceilings or flooring damaged by the burst pipe. Your belongings comes under personal property coverage, so your wind sofa, rugs or electronics caused by water damage would be covered here. Hotel stay or extra living cost comes under coverage D, so if your home is unlivable during repairs, it pays for hotel stay, meals and other necessary extra costs until you can mo- until you can move back in. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.